to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to make capsicum tomato pulao. For that the ingredients required are tomato, onion, capsicum. Any capsicum you can take. I took yellow capsicum here, mint leaves, cashew, lemon, green chilies, ginger, garlic. Spices we use for this dish are mustard, jeera, turmeric, coriander powder, mirchi powder. Take mint leaves, green chilies, ginger and few garlic, salt into the mixer grinder jar and make it to paste. This paste we use in the curry. Paste we made for masala, pulao masala looks like this. Now on the stove, put kadai on the stove, take oil into the kadai. Then add mustard, turmeric, jeera. Put flame low. Ginger, garlic, mirchi, cashew, capsicum, mix well all the ingredients. Let them fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add salt, onion, pudina leaves, now again mix well. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes again. Now the capsicum looks squishy. You can add this paste what we made before. To remove raw smell we need to cook this one also for 5 minutes. Now mix well. Let it cook for 5 more minutes. In between you mix it so that it won't stick to the kadai. Now everything mushy, soft. It's time to add tomatoes, which are added in the last because they become very soft soon. That is why we add them in the last. Add tomato. Mix well. And again let them cook for 5 more minutes. Add mirchi powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, Now mix all the ingredients once again. Cook all the masala on low flame so that it cooks very well without sticking to the kadai. Now add the basmati rice to the masala like this. This basmati rice I soak it for half an hour in the water because it makes rice softer and it won't break if you soak for half an hour. Now mix well. Now transfer all these masala rice into the electric cooker or normal cooker. Take enough water in the cooker already, then you can transfer directly. Mix all the ingredients. Now put the lid on. Let it cook. Let us check in between whether it is cooked or not and see for the moisture. See whether it is cooked or not. See. Look at this. All the moisture went away. See, look at the rice. Now it is hot and ready to serve and eat. Enjoy capsicum tomato pulao with your family. Now add ghee and lemon from the top. It's ready now. Enjoy your food. Thank you for watching this video.